looks like this is the most popular device today.
Yeah, star of the show.
Yeah.
Fascinating.
You were at MWC, right?
I was. Yep.
Can you kind of compare with the devices you saw at
Well,
MWC?
I think it's less MWC, it's more kind of synths. So just before at MWC we had the Oppo Find M2 Flip, which took the screen that was quite small in the Flip 4 and made it nice and big upwards. That helps. You could do some stuff. There were some widgets there, kind of some, we had 6 lines of text or something like an improvement. Still quite small though. So then we had the Motorola came along with the Edge 40 series, especially the Ultra, which then took the screens that way as well. Nice big square screen. Which really made a difference on the front. So now Samsung caught up, but they've now done the same. So finally we have the proper screen on the front, proper resolution, proper functionality, which makes such a big difference.
Yeah, it's almost as good as the main screen.
Exactly. Yeah, the resolution is great, the response is great.
So Liz, you have the previous version.
Yes, Galaxy Flip5. But actually, I was using camera after unfolding. So with this new one, actually we can use this for screen itself for filming by myself. So I think it's incredible improvement.
And also the gap.
Yes. So as you can see here, we still see some gap here, but this new one has no gap here. It's totally seamless.
Right. Yeah. Zero gap.
Yeah, having it side by side like that, you can really tell the difference.
Yeah.
That just looks really old now. Flip 5 finally there.
So I think the main screen, the hinge, that's the biggest improvement. I think this will probably be the best flip device we'll see for the next probably 12 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe this tracks especially for youngsters, young tensions. So yeah, I mean that's good for gaining more shares in youngsters. I think for Samsung.
So why don't we take a selfie with the front screen and see how good it is? Should we do this? Okay. See the quality. You like it?
Sydney Sweeties was better.
Oh, I like ours better. Okay, let's take a photo. We can't take the phone, so let's take the photo.